Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I wanted to share another hobby of mine that I have other than reading, and that is solving Rubik's Cubes. I've been able to solve a Rubik's Cube for about 11 years now. This standard 3x3, my fastest time is 56 seconds, although it usually takes me about a minute and a half to solve. I can also solve this 5x5 in about 8 or 9 minutes, though I'm a little rusty on this one. Reason I wanted to share that was not only to share another hobby of mine with you guys, but also because I'm going to be uploading my own step-by-step tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's going to be very slow, very detailed, step-by-step process on how to solve it, so that if you've ever been interested in solving one or just seeing how it's done, you can follow along with that. I don't know exactly when I'm going to be uploading that, so just keep an eye out in the future for those series of videos. But you'll notice that it's really not as daunting as it seems. I mean, if you've tried to solve it by yourself, it would probably take you forever. But if you know the steps that go behind it, once you solve it for the first time, you'd be like, oh, that's not that bad. So just keep an eye out for that series of videos in the future. And here we go. We're going to solve it. So there we go. Keep an eye out for that tutorial. Really, during my announcement, I would really pop a piece out. It's ridiculous. I don't even know if I know how to fix this. Okay, popped it back in. Sorry about that. There you go.